Hi guys, do you struggling with your interior render like this? Suppose you are create a interior scene and you have done properly lighting, material and try to create rendering, but the problem is your render will not realistic yet. So as you can see that like this, so many of you like your rendering look like dull, it's not look proper ultra photorealistic or not photorealistic. So how to improve your interior rendering, lighting, rendering, material, both, how to improve that. So in this video I'll cover this thing, so let's get started. If I find the fault of this render, so first one is look like this, the window, and this is a window but no light from outside. Make sure you need to create daylighting that see through in your window. Okay, second of all, here intensity is so high, that's why your lighting is burned, and so many things like material, and some have material issue, and here as you can see some overlap, some model like curtain. So how to fix all these things and improve your 3D rendering? Okay, so first one, you need to make a environment lighting. So very easy guys, just 1 minute. You need to focus on just 1 minute to create daylighting over here. So create Corona sun, click here, then just put this sun into your room like this, and go to the front view, and you need to bringing it up so that completely light in your interior. Then let's interactive render. Okay, as you can see, this simple way you can put lighting like sun lighting, see through your window and in your room. So but this is a window also, but no light over here. So how to fix that? So first of all, you just need to put light, and another here you need to add Corona sky environment so that you can properly put in your daylighting in your room. So one is here some lighting shaders, and another overall sky environment. Okay, so now you can adjust your lighting according to your interior windows. So first task is that you need to complete your lighting. Like here there are two lights, one is interior artificial light and another environmental light. Okay, so make sure two light is properly set it in your interior. Okay, so now as you can see the whole rendering in this simple trick, it improve your interior visualization way more better than before. Maybe you can slightly change your curtain position so that it looks like more realistic and more you know what I mean, more realistic and more practical. Okay, and this is light source is visible in this portion but no light visible in this area, so you need to fix that. So click here and then let's check your lighting. Alt Q for hide this all thing except this. So and place this in right position. Go to the top view, that will be easy for you to maintain all this. Yeah, so let's check your all modeling and your maybe your curtain and fix it so that it will not touched in your or overlap in your floor carpet or floor tiles. Okay, done. Okay, as you can see here, two lights missing over here. So just I wanna copy or instance this light to solve that. So hold shift and drag like this and it will instance mixture. Also here instance. Okay, that's better. Okay, so when you place IS light, you just need to focus on your light intensity and light temperature. So how your light intensity you set, you need to fix on that. You can start it from 1 to 1000, anything. So it depends on your IS type. So in this IS type files, I put maybe 30, and then let's check. This is burn. This is not from the IS, this is from Sky, I guess. So stay with previous. So in this case maybe 50 is better. Okay, then let's check this bedside table lamp. How is that? So I can control it from top view or so as you can see here, you put a light, so select the light and then decrease the intensity, maybe 30. So you can start from very minimum value and then you can set the right intensity for your light. Just check it out. 40. Okay, that's good. Or 30 maybe better. Okay, now let's move the sun a bit so that you take more natural light from the sun. Okay, and decrease the sun intensity, make it 0.5. and the interesting thing here, if you increase the sun size maybe 60, boom, your light will act in very soothing and smooth. Okay, so that's 40. So now this light is not burned. It's look like natural and give you a soft effect. Okay, so decrease more. Okay, that's better. So still the background and the environment look like not realistic. Okay, so you just need to put a realistic background. So how to make a proper background for your interior? So you can put it very easily. Okay, for overall to create your overall project or overall room. So you just need to create a circle like this. Okay, and then extrude it. So this is very easy and effective way to create a background, realistic background. Okay, so and make sure uncheck the start cap and end cap. Okay, increase a bit and make it more smooth. So increase the segments value for interpolation Okay, now you can see here the background is default color like your 3ds. So you need to assign or create a material that put your realistic background. Okay, so I just go to the okay, so when you create a new material or create a new material in Corona or Vray, it's better to move select material editor and then create material Corona, then Corona legacy material I prefer, and I wanna put this image for background. So just drag and drop here and then connect with diffuse color. Okay, now you can assign this texture, this image in this object. So assign, and let's see, and make sure make it UVW map and box. Okay, so as you can see now ready your background, but still there are some problems. So when you create this kind of background, it's better to make it from Corona or Vray light material. So you just select Corona light material and then connect the color. Okay, then choose the light color. Set it to, so the intensity depends on your scene and your environment, so you can try it from 0.1 to anything you need. Okay, so final thing, you need to make it proper UVW mapping. Okay, so maybe all this thing in one value. Okay, let's check your viewport now. Okay, that's fine. So now it's look like more realistic. Okay, so your background is ready. Okay, okay, now it's better. Okay, so 80% done. So rest 20% will cover the render setting. Okay, so now we'll check render setting. So press F10 and then you need to create proper render setting. So whatever version you can use doesn't matter, but you need to set proper value from render setting. Okay, so first one, the timing limit. Okay, so time limit I prefer, it depends on your image size, so maybe you wanna provide or custom, so you wanna make 3K resolution. Okay, so 3000 and 2000 suppose. that's 3K resolution is very high, or 4K, whatever. So in this case you need to set the time minimum 30 minutes. Okay, otherwise render will not touch the proper the proper realism or proper quality. Okay, so and then here you need to control the noise. Okay, very important. So you just need to noise level limit. So I set it basically 1 to 3. So 1 is for less noise. Okay, and then you just need to Corona high quality, so that in this way your image will be noise free. Okay, done. Then finally you can add Corona light mix, so that you can control the light individually, but it time consuming for your render time. Okay, so that's why I ignored that. Another thing, that this portion just ceiling light will visible but other not. So pick the light material first, and differentiate just light only. Then select the desired portion that you want to put the light, and then assign here, then unhide all. Let's hit final render. Okay, so as you can see, in this area light will appear, but this area not. So it's very simple. Maybe this portion is touch in this bed background, this bed backdrop. So I wanna complete it later, but otherwise you can see this is more realistic and more improved than before. Okay, so guys, this is a very simple way to make a realistic interior scene. Okay, so make sure you can apply all this trick in your interior or exterior 3D project. Okay, so another thing you can, when you practice or when you apply this to this lesson from your project, so you note that last one thing, you can put overall Corona plain light from in your room. Okay, so just make a Corona rectangular light and then put it in your room, and then you need to make it lower values, and then you can get more natural light, and some you can get more brightness image. Okay, so no more today. Thanks for watching. See you again in next video. I'll share this image after complete the render. Okay, thanks for watching.